Real estate success is often a multi-year educational endeavor that makes it so that in order for you to consume all of the information you need to be successful, it will take significant time. I did my very first deal in August of 2010. I started becoming a real estate investor, started getting educated in November of 2008. That's almost 2 years. And I was desperate, motivated, reading books until 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, attending every single REIA club I could, a meeting with investor after investor. And it still took me almost 2 years to be able to do my very first deal. Yet, in real estate investing, there are multiple disciplines. There are multiple ways to make money: single family, residential, or commercial, or multifamily, or a number of other ways to kind of make money in the real estate investing world, not to mention the different markets that are at play. There's a big difference between a market like Denver, Colorado versus Memphis, Tennessee, the two places I have most of my experience with. There's a big difference between urban real estate and suburban real estate. Also, rural real estate. Do you want to deal with properties? Do you don't want to deal with land? Do you have the skills and the ability to sell with real estate? Maybe you should be a realtor or a wholesaler or something like that. Do you not want to talk to anybody whatsoever? Maybe you should involve yourself with just writing offers and creating a machine that does these kind of things for you. Go and speak to other seasoned investors, people who understand you well, understand your personality and your skill set and your risk tolerance, and then be able to craft a plan that's customized to you. There's not very many people out there willing to do that. There's also not very many people able to do that. This is why I started REI School. The assessment that we do before you even start one single class is substantial and makes it so that you know the straightest, most simple, time reduced plan out there. Is it possible for you to do $90,000 in 90 days? Yes, it's possible, but it's not probable. In fact, it's not even likely. Instead, what's going to happen over the next 90 days is you're going to understand concepts you've never heard before. You're going to understand risks that make no sense to you. You're going to also understand some concepts that make it so that you can save money, make money, be successful in ways that you've never even thought about before. If you are interested in learning more about real estate investing and doing so in an underhyped, reasonable, clear, concise way, you can do one of two things. You can call 877-77-MOGUL. That's MOGUL. Listen to a pre-recorded message where I explain what this system and what this process really looks like. You can call it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You're not going to speak to anyone. There's a pre-recorded message that you can listen to. Or you can go to reischool.com. I have a free course out there so you can kind of see what you're looking at. What you're looking at getting into. You can download that course, I should say you should get access to that course right away. Or better yet, you can schedule a time with a success coordinator so that they can listen to your story, listen to who you are, and start developing a plan totally free. We usually charge about $500 just for this assessment because it does cost us some money to be able to do it. But for a limited time, making it available for everyone for free. This is the same training that I do with my team. The people who come on my team to do deals with me get this exact same training so that they can be successful as fast as possible. Even though I understand it's going to take months and months and months for them to start producing and getting into deals. So now is the time. Don't wait. Hope that things are going to happen differently, or that finally that YouTube video you're going to find is going to make you that success. Instead, cut through all the noise. Come work with us. Come learn from us. Come potentially do deals with us. Give me a call. 877-77-MOGUL or go to reischool.com.